Hello families, this is Sister Asusina. I wanted to create this short video for you to show you how to navigate through our webpage to be able to find the access to your Zoom class, the digital books, the lesson plans, and also how to submit any work. So if you can just go to our main webpage, which is www.stansLodi.org, as you see here on the screen. Whenever you are able to log in, you will be able to enter into our main webpage. Once you are here, if you can locate this icon right here where it says Religious Ed, you don't have to hover down, just go ahead and click on Religious Ed. Our main webpage will pop up for Religious Ed or Faith Formation. You will find this backpack where it has the 2020-2021 online formation access. You also have here the link to Formed and also the link to be able to click on any updates that we have. If at any point you want to order an actual physical book, here is a link below. Let's go ahead and click on the backpack. Now you are on the page for all of the classes. So this is for the class of ongoing faith formation or regular class. So students who are in their first year of formation and will be coming back next year for a sacrament. So your directions are to click on this first option that says ongoing family faith formation. The password I will send to you along with this link in a text message. And just all of these pages are protected with a password so that it is only for your family. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Because I have already entered the password, then I automatically go in. So up above you have the home page. Then you have the link also again to Formed. And this is the link to the publisher's webpage, all resources they have here for you at home. If you find below, this blue section are for the classes on Wednesday in English. We are now updating a lot of information on here. So this will say your next Zoom session is December 2nd. And then the following one is on January 6th. Then below you will find these two images here, which are for the Zoom classes. You simply find whoever catechist you will be meeting with, and you go ahead and click on that image. It will allow you to go into the Zoom class on the day that you have class with the catechist. Just continue to look onto this webpage for new additions. So far we've added the documents. If you click on documents, they will open up. You will have the welcoming letter to the parents that we emailed out to you, the requirements that we know is expected of you. Also the instructions for how to access the webpage in case you want to print them, just have them on hand. And you also have the media release form. So we do ask that all students have this filled out, all parents have it filled out for their children, and turn it into the office. I will close that. The next thing, you also have the recording of the parent orientation in case anyone missed this parent orientation. Here is the YouTube video or the recording of that meeting. Later on, we will also add the prayers that are required. It will be in a different title down here. Next, you will find all of these, the lesson plans or the guide for how to do the lesson plans at home, introduction to the coursework, and these are the monthly assignments. So for regular classes, you already have the assignments for the months of November, December, and January. So these buttons are for those in first grade, and the second button is for grades 2nd to 6th grade. So you simply just click on these buttons, the blue ones, and a PDF file will open up with the instructions. So this section right here is the guide for how to do the lesson plans at home. The next section are the digital books. So these, if you read carefully here, these are the codes for the digital book. So make sure that you write down that code and you're able to click on the book If it's for grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, whichever grade your child is in, you click on it and you enter that code. Once you enter it, you'll be able to open the digital book. And if you go all the way down into this gray section, you have here the monthly assignment reviews. So the instructions just clearly say here, please submit this form at the end of each month to show you have completed the monthly assignment with your child or children. You will not need to turn in any other assignments since we are trying to avoid the handling of paperwork during this pandemic. So because we could also be called back home and during this time, then at the end of this month, once you completed the monthly assignment, please fill out this form to the office. It will ask for the parent information, the student information. So you enter each of the children who are in this in these regular classes. If it's a confirmation student, then you do not enter them here. Then you will select who is the catechist. So a drop-down box will appear, and you select who is the catechist that you meet with. Then you will also select for which month you are submitting the work. So if it's for November, December, or January. Then you have 3 questions here that you will answer, and these the children can answer. You can ask the children, they can write their own answer in here, or you can write it for them. We want to hear the responses of the children. So these are just 3 simple questions that they will answer. You will help them answer. Once you are finished, you will click the submit button and they will come to us. So at the end of this month, at the end of each month, or once you've completed the coursework, then go ahead and fill that form out and you will turn it in. It will come to us. So hopefully this has helped you. Please continue to refer back to this page for any updates, any more news, or call us here at the office. Our phone number here at St. Anne's is 209-369-1907. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Good night.